Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the world of car tires. Whether you're a daily commuter or a seasonal driver, understanding your tires is crucial for enhancing your driving experience. Today, we'll explore the importance of tire brands, the differences between summer and winter tires, how tread affects performance, and how to tell if your tires need replacing. Does car tire brand matter? Let's start by discussing whether the brand of car tires matters. The simple answer is definitely yes. Choosing a reputable brand can be as crucial as the type of car you drive. For example, brands like Michelin and Bridgestone are leaders in tire technology, investing heavily in research and development. This results in innovations in rubber compounds and tread designs that significantly improve your tire's grip, durability, and overall performance. Michelin tires, for example, are known for their exceptional wet grip and longevity, while Bridgestone tires are praised for their reliability and performance in a variety of driving conditions. Bridgestone's Blizzak winter tires are a benchmark in winter performance, offering unmatched traction on snow and ice. Meanwhile, Michelin's Pilot Sport Series is revered in the performance car community for its precise handling and stability at high speeds. Summer versus winter tires. Now, let's talk about the differences between summer and winter tires. What really sets them apart? Summer tires are designed with a softer compound ideal for warm weather, providing excellent traction in both dry and wet conditions. They generally have fewer sipes, tiny slits in the rubber, compared to winter tires, which helps them maintain more rubber in contact with the road, thus enhancing grip and handling in warmer conditions. Conversely, winter tires use a special rubber compound that remains flexible at low temperatures, which is essential for maintaining grip on snow and ice. The tread design also differs significantly between these types, tailored to maximize safety and performance in their respective seasons. Winter tires have more sipes and deeper grooves to bite into snow and ice, providing better traction and stability in harsh winter conditions. In addition to compound and tread design, winter tires often feature a unique tread pattern designed to expel snow and slush more effectively. This reduces the risk of hydroplaning and ensures better contact with the road surface. Summer tires, on the other hand, are optimized for wet and dry conditions, but can become hard and less effective in cold temperatures, leading to reduced grip and increased braking distances. How tread affects performance. Moving on to tread design and its impact on a tire's performance. The tread is not just a pattern, but a complex design engineered to provide safety and stability. Let's break down the main types of tread patterns. 1. Symmetrical tread patterns. These are the most common and are characterized by continuous ribs or independent tread blocks across the entire tire. They provide a smooth ride, long tread life, and are usually found in non-performance passenger cars. 2. Asymmetrical tread patterns. These combine different tread patterns across the tire. The inner side is optimized for wet and winter traction, while the outer side is designed for dry performance. These are often found on high-performance and luxury vehicles. 3. Directional tread patterns. These are designed to roll in one direction and are ideal for high-speed driving and wet conditions. They offer excellent hydroplaning resistance due to their V-shaped patterns. How to check if your tires are okay or need replacing? It's crucial to know how to check the health of your tires. There are several easy methods everyone should be familiar with. The penny test. Simply insert a penny into the tire tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, your tires are too worn and need replacing. This is a quick and easy test to gauge if the tread depth has fallen below the 232-inch threshold. Tread wear indicators. These are raised sections spaced intermittently in the bottom of tread grooves. When they flush with the tread, it's time to replace the tire. Modern tires come with these built-in indicators which help drivers visually inspect the tread wear. Inspect for damage. Regularly examine your tires for any cuts, punctures, or uneven wear patterns. These can indicate deeper issues like alignment or suspension problems. Uneven wear could mean that your tires are over or underinflated, or that your wheels are out of alignment. Check tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Use a reliable gauge to check the pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Refer to your car's manual for the recommended pressure levels. Choosing the right tires for your vehicle. Selecting the right tires for your vehicle depends on several factors, including your driving habits, the climate in your area, and your vehicle type. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. 1. All-season tires. These are a popular choice for many drivers because they perform reasonably well in a variety of conditions, including light snow. They are suitable for drivers who experience moderate weather changes and prefer convenience over optimal performance in specific conditions. 2. Performance tires. If you drive a sports car or a high-performance vehicle, performance tires are designed to provide excellent handling and grip, especially in dry conditions. They often have a lower tread life compared to all-season tires due to their softer rubber compounds. 3. Touring tires. These are designed for a smooth and comfortable ride with an emphasis on low noise and longevity. They are ideal for long-distance driving and provide a good balance of performance and comfort. 4. Off-road tires. If you frequently drive on rough terrains, off-road tires with aggressive tread patterns are your best bet. They provide enhanced traction on mud, sand, and rocky surfaces. These tires are built to withstand the rigors of off-road driving and offer better durability and puncture resistance. Eco-friendly tire options. Automotive industry shifts towards sustainability. Eco-friendly tire options are becoming increasingly popular. These tires are designed to reduce rolling resistance, which can improve fuel efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. Brands like Michelin and Goodyear offer eco-friendly lines such as the Michelin Energy Saver and the Goodyear Assurance Fuel Max, which use advanced materials and innovative designs to offer green performance without compromising on safety or durability. Eco-friendly tires often incorporate materials like silica and natural oils to enhance performance while reducing environmental impact. Additionally, they are designed to provide longer tread life, reducing the frequency of replacements and the number of tires that end up in landfills. Summary and conclusion. Include understanding tire brands, distinguishing between summer and winter tires, recognizing how tread design impacts performance, and knowing when to replace your tires are all essential for maximizing your vehicle's efficiency and your safety on the road. Regular inspections and choosing the right tire for your driving conditions are key. By following proper maintenance routines and staying informed about new tire technologies, you can ensure a safer and more efficient driving experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive advice, and share this video with your friends. Stay safe, drive responsibly, and see you on the road.